Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca Penny, and today we're gonna be playing Clicky Keyboard Tower. So yeah, let's get started. We're joining up. Actually, wait, because there might be music playing, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I think let's see if you can hear it. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but this. Oh, this sounds funny. What's this? I think these. Whoa. Oh my gosh. These are like textures. Keyboards. Well, I guess this is poppy. That sounds nice. Fucky? I think that's called fucky. That's nice. And then I'm just gonna like a little bit one. That's so nice. Creamy. Got creamy. So this is fucky. Creamy. Clicky. I don't like clicky that much. Deep. Honey. I don't know if this one's really good. I don't like that one. I like this one. Whoa. Yeah, let's go. I like this one. I like this one. I wonder which one this is. Oh, wait. I think we forgot one. We did end up forgetting one. I think there's one glass. This sounds so nice. I don't know why I'm whispering. I don't know if you can hear it, but this sounds so nice. Let's kind of, whoa. I gotta be careful. What is I'm gonna fall. Oh, I guess not. Whee! Oh my gosh. That was fun. Well, you can't climb up there. What? How did they get I think we, do we go back here? Please. Yes. Oh, this way. Gosh. Oh my god. Okay. I think I will out. We went out. Do we go back here? We made it! Bro! We didn't have to climb that ladder. Oh, ow. What? Oh. Let's go. Don't cut back up. No, it's gonna be the fun. And I ain't risky for. Wait, I don't think it. Whoa. This big one. No, I died! Bro, guys. Don't tell me I have to start over. I mean, we weren't even that far up, so it... Why do I keep gliding? I keep gliding. Careful here, careful, Bingo, careful. Good. Oh, now I have to go back down here. And slow down. Then we climb this ladder. Fall. Jump off. What is that? What is that? Oh, it leads. I don't know what that leads to, but let's just go to the way we were, the way that we went. Of course. I have to be careful, cause like, I have to be like really careful on this, cause I don't think I can. Like that sound is so good. Which way do we go? This way? This way? What is that? I'm not gonna step in it. Okay, that leads to there, and then that leads around back there. Oh, I guess we're going this way. Oh, just like it. Oh, guys, look at my health bar. I'm about to die. I should be more careful. I'm so stupid. I guess you'll see me when I get back up. Guys, I just wanted to tell you something. While I was going back up, someone had this slap hand and slapped me off. And now I have to restart again. Oh my gosh. Guys, I made it back up. So, well, okay, this is where I died. So, I'm gonna be careful. Whoa, I'm skipping all of them at the same time. Except for this bottom one. I don't know how I got stuck on that one. If I did, I would die. Oh my gosh. How do you just jump down? It's pretty easy. Oh. Wow. I'm trying to make it. You know, why don't end the video? Oh my gosh. That took so long and I'm so stupid. Bruh. Well, I guess I'm gonna try and get back up, but gosh. Should I play Who's Lying again or the Twin Press? I will probably play Dress to Impress because it's like my favorite game. And you know how last video I posted a Dress to Impress video? Well, you know how I was a glamourista? Well, I may have done some working off camera and I may have gotten ranked up to Fashion Maven. But we don't have to talk about that. Everyone, please give me a clap. I worked really hard on it. Please subscribe. I worked so hard to get up to Fashion Maven. Yeah. And you know how I had $1,000-something? Well, I may have gotten the Supernova Stargirl set. And now I only have $600-something. Well, yeah. Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.